Good afternoon, you freaking degenerates. It's your least favorite gym vlogger Preach here. And you know the drill, bro. It's 12:30 in the afternoon right now. It's time to hit a gnarly at-home workout. Let's get straight to it today, folks. Let's get that pre-workout. I hope you guys are feeling lit up and motivated. Go pursue your goals today, bro. It's a great day to be out here. Cheers. Let's dive right into it, folks. Let's go. Cheers. Let's get a little bit more than that. Whew. Let's get some gains, baby. Everybody wants to feel good. Everybody wants to feel confident. Have you thought maybe you haven't earned your confidence? Stop waiting on somebody to come make you feel good about your crappy situation. Go earn your confidence. Go give yourself a reason to be proud. Let's go. Enough to bring me down to my knees before I sleep, before I eat, before I think I'm a... Oh, 210 pounds of straight mass. I didn't weigh myself yet today, but I'm probably over 210 pounds now. Oh, just mass, baby. Let's go. Are you working out your whole body or only certain parts? Let's hit these 3-finger push-ups. Let's go, let's go. Arms are literally getting massive. Arms are literally getting massive, baby. Oh, let's go. If you're several weeks into your training program and you're still not seeing results, that's a problem, bro. That means adjustments need to be made. You can truly get bigger and better, more cut on a daily basis. Oh, let's go. Oh. The time for excuses is over, bro. It's time to get to work. It's time to go hard. Let's go. Oh. There's a reason that I do high repetition in my workouts. You know, a lot of people think the only way to get big is to lift heavy weights. When really, if you look at every great in the industry, they've all incorporated high repetition as part of their training programs. Why? Because the muscle is like a sponge. So with every pump, you're pumping more blood and water to that muscle, and it's absorbing it. High repetition is a life hack in the gym, bro. It's not only about lifting heavy loads. It's great to lift heavy weight. But if you're only doing 6 reps every set, every workout, you're not going to see the results you could see if you would lift that repetition up. Let's go. Over 210 pounds of mass. Turning into a meatball, baby. Turning into a meatball. Let's go. Oh, look at that shape. 210 pounds at 5'8". Oh, feeling good. Feeling good, baby. You got to be able to have fun with your workout, bro. You got to be able to have a good time.